Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Nativity scenes are something I make every year. I made a crèche this year for my Willow tree figurines. Here is a quick video of how I did it. For this project, I used the base piece from an IKEA crate. I removed these screws and dismantled the crate to get this base. This base piece will form the back side of the house. This is a larger piece that will form the house's base. This is another smaller piece that I bought from Daiso for 87. As you can see, the back piece has almost the same width. This piece will be attached to the back piece using screws. Since it has already been drilled, so attaching it will be simple. This is how it will look once screwed in. I need 4 thin pieces for the sides. They were measured to the height of the back piece. I need to cut them at 45 degrees. I used a miter saw to make the 45-degree cuts. Let's begin assembling the pieces. Screw the back piece to the base. Attach the side pieces to the base with a nail gun. It's now time to cut the roof pieces. Measure the required length and cut it at 45 degrees with a miter saw. It can be attached to the base using a nail gun. In the process of attaching the roof pieces together, I missed recording myself. Apologies. The roof can be attached to the sides with a nail gun. This wooden crèche deserves some color. After spray painting blue chalk paint on it, I sanded it down with a Dremel multi-tool for an aged look. I finished it off with an aged glaze to really give it a rustic vibe. You could screw it to the base if you want it to be permanent. However, I am planning to dismantle it after the Christmas, so I am using hot glue to fix it together. We are now moving on to the last step. Spray the house with adhesive and sprinkle it with snow powder. Set up the scene by placing a fox fur sheet, spraying adhesive on it and then dusting snow powder on it. After that, add a few branches, fox trees and figurines, and finally you are ready to go. Here is the final look. Hope you like it. Have a wonderful holiday season.